Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. I want to share with you the new pre-workshop homework for the Communication Literacy exam for teachers coming up this year in 2021 and 2022. To get to this page, you want to go to the main page at Go Academy. You type into Google GOHliteracy.com, www.goacademy.com, and you'll get to this page. Scroll down the page to Resources and click on Resources. You're going to get to the main resource page where if you scroll down, you'll see that Communication Literacy Pre-Workshop Homework. It's the first one. Press on that pre-workshop homework. This gets you to the terms, flashcards, and practice exams you can use to get ready for the class and get ready for your exam. There's an instruction video on the side here that you can watch. That's what you're listening to right now. But this is the basics of the assignment. Before the class, I want you to go through these terms for communication literacy. There's terms for reading, there's terms for writing. You want to go through and have a working understanding of each of these terms. For example, let's look at a writing term. Under common mistakes, we could go under subject-verb agreement. If you're not that clear on what subject-verb agreement is, or sentence fragment, or a run-on sentence, or a comma splice, you could press on that link there. I'll press on subject-verb agreement. And it's going to open up to a website where it'll have an article, a diagram, or video that might help you clarify that specific grammatical rule. And that's for all these terms. So as you go through these terms, you can press on them. You'll see a diagram, a video, or article to help you clarify some of these reading terms and writing terms. These are the things that I want you to do before the class to get ready for the class. In addition to this section, I've added in some flashcards. These are going to be some ideas that we talk about in the class, so you can go back to these flashcards after the class is done and review them. Same thing with the writing. You can go back to these after the class and review them as well. And then finally on this page, I've included some practice exams for both the reading and writing exams. This is great stuff. If you've completed the class, you've gone through your terms, read over your packet, this is a great quick links to some of those practice tests, like practice tests 1, 2, 3. They're just reading exams that are going to help you with communication literacy reading exams. And here's some writing exams here. They're going to help you with similar types of questions and problems for if you're taking that writing portion of the communication literacy. These are very good links here to help you get a sense of the exams. Use this page here, team, to help you prepare for the class and get ready for your exam. Great, team. I look forward to seeing you at the upcoming class. Have a great day. Take care.